Hi all, welcome back to Power RPA. In the earlier video, we discussed about how to get the data from Excel. Now we will see the data entry part into RPA challenge, and we will see how to change the selectors in RPA challenge. And previously we see these Excel reading and Excel reading subflow which launch Excel and get the data and close the Excel. Now we'll see the data entry of in the RPA challenge. Here we'll see in the first step we launch the RPA challenge website using Chrome. Not only Chrome, we can use Internet Explorer, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, like that. I choose Chrome, and after launching the RPA challenge browser, we have to start our let me sorry RPA challenge. We have to click the start button to start our challenge. We have to click the start button, and later we have to loop the data which we are getting from these Excel reading subflow. Here we can see in UiPath, if we want to supply the data from one flow to another, one process to another process, we have to give arguments, right? Here we don't need it. There is no in and out directions. If we create any variable here, it automatically we can also use that variable in another subflow. And I use this Excel data variable from this Excel data, and I have changed the for each variable current item to challenge data. And the next step is after looping this data, we just enter this data into these fields. For every submit click, we have to enter the data. And in the first step, we have to enter the first name, right? I will show you the selector part as well. And here UI element, we have to select add UI element. If you are using first time, you cannot see anything here. We just add UI element and select that one. And later this challenge, like this is challenge data is nothing but a string. It's not an array at present, because we are looping, right? And this is the index number. Will count the index from 0, right? That's why I'm giving 0 here, and save it. I'll show you the selector here. Selector, we are customly edit. We can give our custom selectors here by clicking these, and I will show you by giving test, right? Test yeah, here select, save. Here go to here and select. Sorry, I will delete this and I will show you, because there is no button. Add UI element, first name, control left click, select done, save, and go to here and edit selector. Now we custom we choose custom selector, and here you see input brackets id equal to some random text, right? Instead of using these id is equal to random text, you just go delete this and go to browser and right click here, refresh it first. First name, right click, inspects. Here first name. Here you see before we label name is id, right? We take id. Instead of using this id, we just use ng reflect name equal to label first name. Just copy this and paste inside these brackets, paste it and update it. Not only this is not only for first name, which we have to use we have to apply this method to all fields like last name, company name, role and address. To all of them we applied same thing. Let me show you other things. Last name, right? Last name, see, label last name. You can find all these things in the inspects. This is last name, right? You just go there and see. Here you see ng reflect name, label last name. If you want role in company, see ng reflect name, label role. Like this we have to edit the selectors, and finally we have to click the submit button so that it can iterate all the data. And delete this upload, I don't want this. Yes, and I will run the bot. We will see how much time it will take to complete this RPA challenge. We'll try to make it faster in the next video. First we'll see how much time. It took 25 seconds, right? We'll show you how we can make it fast in the next video. Thanks for watching.